Taiwan's Environmental Protection Agency tries its best to fight illegal dumping of toxic industrial waste. Although GPS tracking systems are installed on semis carrying industrial waste, which agents may conduct surveillance right in front of an office computer. However, there are still loopholes. Here's our report.
When slag from a steel refining furnace is ejected, its temperature is 300 degrees Celsius. Cooling under a sprinkler system, large amounts of steam is generated. Donning protective suits and masks, Taiwan's EPA agents make an inspection.
We are checking for heavy metal to make sure they stay within the legal limit.
If a reading exceeds the set limit, the slag will be classified as industrial waste and must be disposed of properly according to the Waste Disposal Act. The same follows for incinerator bottom ash as well.
We are now at a body incineration plant. Every day, 2,400 tons of garbage gathered from New Taipei City is burned here. About 14% will not burn completely. Thus, 350 tons of bottom ash are produced daily.
One after another, semi-trailers pull in to haul off the ash to off-site waste processing plants. Before exiting, all semis are weighed, and all must turn on their GPS, as mandated by the EPA.
The GPS tracking system is installed both at the front and at the back. One unit has to be installed on the trailer in case they try to swap the truck and dump the waste somewhere else.
While one group of EPA agents makes inspections on site, another group conducts surveillance back in office.
His current position and heading all showed up through GPS tracking. As well, by utilizing Google Maps Street View, we can pinpoint his exact location. If he makes any deviation, we will immediately know where he is going and be on alert.
In 2012, the tracking system helped EPA uncover illegal sludge dumping by a brick factory in Taoyuan's Longtan when trucks deviated from their route.
Which processing or recycling company has been hired to handle the waste, and how or what they are going to do with it are all being closely monitored by us.
However, the tracking system is not perfect. Once the waste ends up in the hands of recycling companies, the tracking stops.
Once a recycling company turns the waste into product, the monitoring ends and everything just goes haywire. The government keeps track at the front end, but does nothing at the back end.
The waste processing company had planned on dumping 60,000 tons of sludge on an empty lot in Hsinchu's Beipu. Though they evaded EPA's tracking, they could not dodge the public's eye.
According to Waste Disposal Act Article 46, violators can be sentenced to prison for 1 to 5 years. We will also confiscate all illegal earnings.
To stop illegal dumping, EPA also issues large fines to violators.
The scale of pollution has far exceeded Taiwan's limit, yet we continue to develop high-polluting industries.
Steel and petrochemical industries are known as mother of all industries. However, they also cause serious pollution. Having discovered a loophole in the current system, violators take their chances to make a profit at our expense. Thus, to solve the problem at its root, current regulation must be reevaluated and revised.